Shopify POS Lite and POS Pro. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys the difference between Shopify POS Lite and Shopify POS Pro. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, what is POS? So POS is also known as point of sale. So you can use Shopify POS to sell your products in person, in retail stores, pop-ups, and other locations. Whether you're setting up your first Shopify store or expanding your online store to start selling in person, you can use the Getting Started section for a complete guide to setting up the Shopify POS app, including choosing the subscription that best meets your needs and the hardware overview to learn about Shopify hardware for retail selling. So what is Shopify POS? So it is a point of sale app that you can use to sell your products in person. You can use Shopify POS to sell almost anywhere, including brick and mortar stores, markets, and pop-up shops. The Shopify POS app is available for only iOS and Android devices, so Shopify POS syncs with Shopify to track your orders and inventory across your retail locations, online store, and other active sales channels. You can even view and manage your store's orders from the app. So for the hardware, you can connect Shopify with a range of retail hardware that helps you build your business both in person and online. If you are a merchant with a store located in a supported country, then you can buy supported hardware directly from Shopify. So these are the supported countries right here. So we have Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, New Zealand, Singapore, Spain, United Kingdom, and the United States. And then for the hardware, these are the hardware kits for Shopify POS right there. So they have countertop kits. They also have a POS Go or POS terminal reader, MPOP, card readers, card drawers, barcode scanners, barcode printers, receipt printers, device stands, POS accessories. So if you want to buy Shopify's hardware, POS hardware right here, you can buy them here. So let us begin with the difference or comparison between POS Lite and POS Pro. So for the features, both Shopify POS Lite and POS Pro have integrated payment hardware with Shopify Payments. So these countries include Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, New Zealand, Singapore, Spain, the UK, and US only. For non-payment retail hardware integrations, both Shopify POS Lite and POS Pro have those features. Same goes with the customizable smart grid. You can also add and edit customer profiles for both, customer view, app, multi-location inventory, orders and customer management, email, SMS receipts. Well, for custom printed receipts, only POS Pro has that, while the POS Lite doesn't. Both have discount codes and manual discounts. Shopify POS Pro has automatic discounts, while POS Lite doesn't. And then you'll get sell and redeem gift cards for both. It also has shop tax calculations for both, camera barcode scanning for both, custom sales for both, offline cash payments for both, and staff pins for both. So this is based on the Shopify plan. Next is for retail staff permissions and management. Only POS Pro has that. Unlimited POS only staff is only for the Pro one as well. Sales attribution is for the Pro one as well. Refunds are for both. Order cash cancellations are for the Pro one. Exchanges are also for the Pro one. While for cash tracking, it is for both. Save and retrieve cart is for the Pro one. Email carts is for the Pro one as well. Ship to home is for the Pro one as well. Pickup in store is for the Pro one. Local delivery fulfillment is for the Pro one. Advanced inventory management with Stocky is for the Pro one as well. Daily sales reports is for the Pro one. In-app retail store analytics is for the Pro one. And then lastly, required checkout information is for the Pro one as well. So those are pretty much the main differences between POS Lite and POS Pro. So feel free to choose on which kind of POS version you're gonna choose. So for the POS pricing, these are the pricings right here. So if you want to use the starter one, it will cost you around 7 Canadian dollars a month. So this is for the POS Lite location included. So the card rates start at 5% plus 30 cents CAD online, and then for in person it will just take 5% and then no cent fee for CAD in person. and then 5% third-party payment providers. And then the standout features of this is one POS login and limited online store. Next is retail. So these are for selling at retail stores. So this will cost you around 119 Canadian dollars a month. So this one has the POS Pro location included. So the card rates start at 2.8% plus 30-cent CAD for online, and then 2.6% plus 0 cents CAD in person, and then 2% for third-party payment providers. And then the standout features for this is unlimited POS logins and limited online store. So yeah, feel free to choose on which kind of plan you want to use for your POS right here. And then next is we have other plans right here. Sell everywhere. Get advanced tools for selling in person and online, all backed by the world's best checkout. So in here, they have the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan. So for the basic plan, these are for solo entrepreneurs. So this will cost you around 51 Canadian dollars a month, and plus 119 Canadian dollars a month for each POS Pro location. So again, the card rates start at 2.8% plus 30 cents Canadian online, 2.6% plus 0 cents Canadian in person, 2% third-party payment providers. Standout features is unlimited POS logins, full-featured online store. For the Shopify plan, it will cost you around $132 Canadian a month, plus 119 Canadian dollars a month for each POS Pro location. So the card rates start at 2.6% plus 30 cent Canadian online, 2.5% plus 0 cents Canadian in person, 1% third-party payment providers. And the standout features is that it has 5 additional staff accounts, unlimited POS logins, and full-featured online store. And then lastly, we have the advanced plan, which will cost you around $517 Canadian a month, plus 119 Canadian dollars a month for each POS Pro location. So the card rates start at 2.4% plus 30 cents Canadian online, 2.4% plus 0 cents Canadian in person, and 0.6% for third-party payment providers. So its standout features is that it has 15 additional staff accounts, unlimited POS logins, and full-featured online store. So yeah, so if you're not sure on which kind of plan you want to use, you could always try it for free right here. So just simply click on try it for free, and then you'll be able to try this for free. And then you'll also get a $1 per month for your first subscription. So yeah, feel free to choose on which kind of plan you want to use. Next is we have POS features. Okay, so for POS features, it has omni-channel selling. So it offers a smooth shopping experience for your customers in store, online, and everywhere in between. So in here, it has pickup in store. So this for the Pro one, buy online, exchange, and return in stores. Also for the Pro one, product QR codes are for both. Ship from store is for the Pro one. Buy in store and ship is for the Pro one as well. Local delivery is for the Pro one. Send cart to buy online is for the Pro one. And manage orders and POS is for both Lite and the Pro one. Next is smart inventory management. So this reduce errors and increase profit from a single place using smart recommendations from Stocky app by Shopify. So majority of all these features right here for the Pro one, like purchase orders, transfers, sale items, suggestions, stock adjustments, inventory receiving, demand forecasting, low stock reports, inventory analysis, inventory counts, detailed inventory reports. So these are for the Pro one. Well, for the Lite and Pro one, you can always track your inventory. Next is staff management. So control permissions and track staff performance from one place. So for the Pro one, it has manager approvals, unlimited POS staff roles and permissions, attribute sales to staff, while staff posts, POS pins are for both. Next is checkout. So complete each sale with a seamless experience for customers and staff. So it has exchanges for the Pro one, cancel and void orders for the Pro one as well. Draft orders are for the Pro one. Custom printer receipts are for the Pro one. Checkout validations for the Pro one as well. And then customizable smart grid, add products to cart, custom sale, discounts, taxes, custom email or SMS receipts, customer receipt selection, order notes, returns, and tips are for both POS versions. Next are products. So stay organized and spend less time on admin chores. So it has unlimited products, product variants, multi-location inventory, product collections, inventory status, barcode labels for both POS versions. Next are customers. So turn one-time shoppers into lifelong fans. So in here, it has shop integration, order history, reward loyalty online and in-store, customer profiles, customer meta fields, and marketing opt-in. So these are for both POS types right there. Next is reporting and analytics. So get actionable reports so you can make informed business decisions. So daily sales report are for the Pro one, while dashboard overview, retail sales reports, cash tracking, cash flow reports, product reports, discount reports, inventory reports, and finance reports are for both Pro and Lite. Next is hardware. So build a complete point of sale with Shopify's plug-and-play hardware. So both POS Pro and POS Lite have Shopify POS Terminal Counterflop Kit, WisePad 3 card reader, Tap to Pay, Shopify hardware warranty, secure payments, and compatible hardware accessories. Next for our Shopify payments. So in here, it accepts payments reliably and securely anywhere in your store. So both Shopify POS Lite and POS Pro have built-in payment processing, accept popular payment methods, Shop Pay integration, transparent payment rates, quick payouts, and chargebacks. Next are for additional payments, accept popular payment methods so you never miss a sale. So both Shopify POS Pro and POS Lite sell and accept gift cards, split payments/tenders, email gift cards, partial payments, add digital gift card to Apple Wallet, and custom payment types. And then it has refund to an existing gift card, which is for the Pro one. And then lastly, so we have marketing. So keep your brand top of mind with marketing tools that bring customers online into your retail store. So both Shopify POS Pro and POS Lite have product reviews, email marketing, social media integration, and Google Merchant Center. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The difference or the comparison between POS Lite and POS Pro. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.